Stop killing time. If you will keep on killing the time, then the time will come when the time will kill you. Once the time will pass, you will become the victim of your bad luck. You will always blame for your bad luck. You will always blame for your luck that it was not in my destiny. So please, if you really want to get the huge success, if you really want to get your dream, if you really want to get your goal, then the one thing what is the common in every successful human being on this planet, and that is the using of time. Using every second of her or his time. Time is the most valuable thing. Time is the most precious thing. And time is your money. Time is your health. Time is your best friend. Time is your relatives. Time is your everything. If you really want to get each and every thing what you just really want to get, then for that you have to just pay attention what I am just telling you. It is common that every successful why it is the time that you are just killing the time. Why you are just killing the time? Why you are killing the time in those things which are not useful for your goal? You are always attracted by those things which are not important for you. You are always distracted by those things which are not helpful in reaching your goal. Successful people pay attention to one thing, that even a single second should not be wasted. Even a single second should not be spent. One thing you should do, that you have not to spend the time. You have to just invest the time. One more time, just listen to me. You have not to spend the time. Don't spend the time. Always invest your time. If you really invest your time, what you really like, then nobody is going to stop you. Work like a hell at every second. Every passing second should remember that what's your goal. Why you just wake up in the morning? What is the reason behind this? Don't kill the time. Even a single second, if you will keep on using, then nobody can stop you to reach to your goal. But most people became the victim of failure. Why? Because they consistently practice the wastage of time. They consistently practice the wastage of time, so that they become failure conscious. Napoleon Hill once said that you will become what? What about you become conscious about? If you are success conscious, then nobody can stop you to become successful. And if you are become a failure conscious, then nobody can stop you to become a failure. What you think it matters. What other thinks it never matters to you. What you think it always matters to you. So just listen. Keep on doing what you just love, what you really want to do, and stop killing the time. If you are keep on killing the time, then the time will come when it will kill you. There are so many people, and they always made a to-do list in the morning, and they used even a single second of her or his 24 hours. Everyone has a 24-hour, and the people who are great, they used her or his every single second. They use every single minute, so they just become the people of very valuable. They become the people of value. They don't want to become a successful people. They always want to be a man of value. So one thing what every human being should learn and should remember, that practice the attention for your time. Practice your time in a good way. Practice, invest your time. Don't spend your time. Always invest what your goal, what your desire, what your burning desire, what you really want, what you love. So please, on this session, one thing you should remember, that stop killing time. Always go forward and keep on keeping on. Stay blessed. If you are new on my channel, please, for more updates, please subscribe my channel, share to your friends, and like if you like, and comment what you just really want on. Once more, if you are new on my channel, please subscribe. Thank you very much for coming on my channel. Thank you.